deal with it! Hey, look in the score. I've got candy. Hey, Zuri, say hello to my little friend.
Mom, I'm ready for school!
It's Sunday! Go back to bed!
Never mind!
He just paid me $20 for a scooter bar. What's with the suit? What part of inconspicuous don't you understand? All of it. I have no idea what that word means.
Emma, I have something important to tell you.
You decided to go to clown camp?
No! Xander asked you out so he could kill you, like he did with his previous girlfriend, Amanda.
That's ridiculous. Xander is the nicest guy in the world. He wouldn't hurt a fly.
I will have you know he has slaughtered many flies in our cabin.
With those dreamy eyes, he could run a puppy mill and I'd still go out with him.
I am telling you, tonight Xander is planning on killing you.
You are going to make a great clown because that was hilarious. Plus, you can fit in the little car.